Welcome to my channel. 1 minute, it was just a dream. The next, it's here. We have robots now. Yep, these days you can order them online, bring them into your house and, well, take your pick on what you want them to do. From cleaning the floor to following you around, they're more advanced than ever. So in this video, we'll show you what kind of robots you can buy, how smart they really are, if they're worth it, and some stuff you might not have thought about before. First things first, what kind of robots can you buy? Well, you can get different ones for different jobs. There are those that clean your house for you. That's the most common type, like the Roomba or Roborock. Then there are robots that act like assistants. Think of it like Alexa on wheels. Yes, you can ask them questions and they can play music, set timers, turn off lights. Some of the newest robots can guard your home while you're away, keeping an eye on things and sending you messages if anything weird happens. Other robots are designed to help seniors with daily tasks, checking in on them and sending help if needed. Then there are the robots built to cheer up your kids or even be their friend. And, hey, who wouldn't want a robot pet that never sheds? So how much smarts do these robots have? Well, most use a mix of artificial intelligence or AI, cameras, sensors, and mapping tech to understand their environment. This helps them navigate around your house, find their way back to their charging station, and even respond when you talk to them. Some of the smarter robots can recognize different people, tell if someone is sad or happy, and work with other smart devices in your home like robot vacuums. They can learn routines, figure out where things are, and in some cases even chat back and forth. It's like having a digital buddy around the house. Now, here's a big question. Are they worth it? Well, let's look at both sides. On one side, they save you time, make life more convenient, and let's face it, they're pretty cool. Imagine coming home to a clean house or not having to worry about chores while you're on vacation. You can also ask these robots to remind you to take out the trash or water the plants so you won't forget. Some robots can even check in on your plants, making sure they're doing well and giving you tips on how to take care of them better. But there are some downsides too. First, they can cost a pretty penny. Now, here's something else to consider. Privacy. With these robots zooming around your house and sometimes listening in, it's important to think about how safe your personal information is. For example, if the robot has cameras and microphones and you ask it to, say, show you some videos from your trip, it will need to collect and share your photos and videos with third parties to do that. Or if the robot has access to your Wi-Fi network and you ask it to send a message to your friend, it will need to collect your friend's contact information to do that. So it's important to think about how these robots handle your personal information and make sure you trust them with it. Otherwise, you might end up sharing more than you bargained for. The biggest question is, are we ready for robots in our homes? Well, it depends. Some people love the idea of robots helping with everyday tasks, making life easier and more fun. Others are worried about job losses, robots taking over, and privacy issues. But as long as we keep talking, keep improving these robots, and keep an eye on how they're doing, we can make sure they're used for good. So, what do you think? Would you get a robot for your home? If so, which one? Let us know in the comments below. And, hey, thanks for watching. We've got more cool stuff coming up, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.